Indian industries have played an important role in the growth story and changing scenario of India, where we as a nation are moving ahead to participate in the global growth and ready to cater Indian-made products and services to rest of the world. To become part of this journey and to participate in the growth of the nation, various reputable Indian institutions not just adapted the modern technology, but have changed the thought process and became flag bearers in their field to actually have global presence. Chitra Manufacturers is one such name, which is established and run under dynamic entrepreneur Chitra Rakheja. In 1974, her father, late Shri M.M. Rakheja, started a company known as Rakheja Engineers Private Limited, with the manufacturing facility of medium and heavy fabrication parts, and started association with the leading backhoe loader manufacturers in India in 1995. In 1997, after sudden demise of Mr. Rakheja, his daughter Chitra Rakheja took charge of the company at very young age of merely 16 and started doing automations and upgradation in all facets of manufacturing of the company. Since then, the company grew many-fold and the turnover of the company increased from around 1 crore per annum to over 100 crores. And then on, the company never looked back. Rakheja Engineers Private Limited touched new heights with changing times under leadership of Chitra and her team. Taking forward her father's legacy in 2018, Chitra formed a new company and adopted new technologies, expanded area and its operations with a bigger goal. The name of the new company is Chitra Manufacturers, with a new logo and fresh vision and mission. The new company took over Messrs. Rakheja Engineers Private Limited and added additional area and infrastructure to add new customers and diversify the business, keeping in mind core competence as well as to achieve turnover target of 300 crores in next 2 years. So far, the company was known for medium and heavy fabricated parts, welded assemblies, and various attachments for earth-moving equipments. The company is biggest manufacturer of BHL loader shovels and excavator end buckets for leading BHL manufacturer in India. The company also makes various attachments for cranes, wheel loaders, excavators, etc. Now the company has added thermal treatment and machining facilities too, to add new customers and new products using added modern infrastructure and facility. Customized heavy fabrications are also being made at Chitra Manufacturers. Since 1995, Chitra Manufacturers has had a long and strong association and business relations with JCB. The organization took several important steps to meet the continual quality improvements and rising customers' expectations, and to meet this, Chitra Manufacturers have adopted latest technology in every aspect and facets of manufacturing. It has many modern CNC machines like 3 kilowatt 6 meter CNC laser cutting, HPR 260 twin torch 6.5 meter by 13 meter CNC plasma, HPR 130 twin torch 6.5 meter by 13 meter CNC plasma, CNC sharing MCS 450 tons 5 meter CNC bending NC rolling, hydraulic fixtures, semi and fully automated welding, automatic shot blasting, stress relieving furnace and semi-auto powder coating line, made for rugged use and smooth performance. The tagline makes Chitra Manufacturers stand out in the crowd. The manufacturing of these products is a result of complex processes. These are carried out at Chitra Manufacturers plant, spread over 15,000 square meters. As per requirements, the plant is divided into 3 broad sections. Preparatory shop. This is the part of the plant where raw material is precision cut as per requirement. The process is undertaken with the help of modern automated machines. Each part is carefully examined before shaping. Tacking and welding sections. After leaving preparatory shop, the product reaches the second part of the plant. the welding shop. Here, the already cut parts are assembled and welded to give it a final shape. Now, once the products are shaped and welded, it goes through firewall called quality gate for inspection before finishing and painting. Here, the parts are thoroughly checked for fabrication and welding parameters. And after quality assurance and cross-verification of respective root cards, move to third stage, that is, finishing and painting. The third or the final stop is finishing, PDI and dispatch. This is where the product is given the final touch. The product now is final finished and painted and dispatched after a thorough pre-dispatch inspection. Altogether, these three broad sections are spread in 6 sheds. The strength of the products also reflects in the core ideology of Chitra Manufacturers. The organization and its products have passed all quality standards with flying colors. The award list for Chitra Manufacturers says it all. Best Supplier Award from JCB in 2006 and 2007. Appreciation Award for Outstanding Efforts from JCB 2009. Best Supplier Award in Improvement category from JCB 2011. Second prize in Total Employee Involvement in 4th National Cluster Summit from CII 2012. Second prize in Manufacturing Excellence in 5th National Cluster Summit from CII 2013. Special JCB Chairman Award of Strategic Supplier 2016. Awards like Top Contributing Kaizen Award in 10th National CII Cluster Summit 2017. To ensure the highest quality standards, Standard Room has also been installed at the plant, where inspection and testing facility of each variety except chemical composition is available. All data related to users is displayed in the new Quality Command Center at the premises. Chitra Manufacturers is committed not just to its customers but also employees. Unlike other staff, the welders are provided with the necessary training. The company has a training center specific to fabrication and welding, where engineers and welders are being trained to upgrade their knowledge and skill day by day. A new firewall has been introduced before the finishing stage, which displays all related welding standards, including customer complaints, defects, and desired expectations. Chitra Manufacturers buys raw material directly from various mills, specifically market leaders like Tata Steel, SAIL, and SR, which is known as AMNS now. Senior management at Chitra Manufacturers communicates directly with its employees from time to time. This keeps them updated with the customer's expectations, quality, and improvements needed. Chitra Manufacturers, together with its stakeholders and employees, is committed to provide products to the consumers at competitive prices. The organization is taking bold steps to ensure and deliver the same.